To link items in Monday.com, start by opening the website in your browser. On the left side, locate the New Board button and click on it. Next, click the plus icon to add a new column. And from the available options, select the column type you want to add. The three dots icon allows you to connect the board to another one. Simply select the board you want to connect and click the Connect Board button. To create a mirror column, click the Add Mirror Column button. Then select the column you want to mirror from the drop-down menu. You can also add labels by clicking the All Labels button. Additionally, you can add more columns to the board by selecting the desired category. By following these steps, you can successfully link items to the board. Monday.com can be accessed through the provided links. And by using these links, you can get started with the platform.